Hey guys, good morning. Have a nice day. This is Basveshwar Kadgaonkar and you all of watching my YouTube channel Speak English with PK. Friends, how are you? I hope all of you guys are fine. May I right? Okay. Welcome back to my channel Speak English with PK. Friends, today we are going to discussing very interesting and spiritual topic, and it is somewhat astrological also, and today's video is going to so significant. That's why don't skip the video and watch full video. Okay? And today's topic is the birth month and its nature. आजचा व्हिडिओ अतिशय खास होणार आहे कारण ज्यांचा जन्म